If you've seen the movie Jurassic Park, you may be wondering what on earth a Jurassic is. Well, the Jurassic is a period of time that spanned 201 to 145 million years ago. This was a time when big, gnarly dinosaurs called Velociraptors ruled the world. While Jurassic Park is the title of a movie, it wasn't a Hollywood marketing team that invented the name. The Jurassic is a period of time that is understood through geology, the study of rocks. In the field of geology is a subfield called stratigraphy that considers how rock layers relate to the age of the rocks themselves. If you dig down into the ground far enough to find a fossilized velociraptor, try saying that when you've had a few drinks, you'll know that the rocks were laid down in the Jurassic period. In that time, conditions on Earth were very different from today, as there was more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and average global temperatures were about 3 degrees hotter than today. Flash forward from the velociraptor to the nuclear age. If you were to dig into the ground a little way today, you'd find a thin layer of plutonium and uranium contamination. And where does this come from? Well, it drifted out of the stratosphere, having been put there by the atmospheric nuclear bomb tests that were conducted between the mid-40s and the mid-60s. This is the chemical marker that geologists use to define the beginning of the geological time frame in which we live today. It's not called the Jurassic, it's called the Anthropocene epoch. Broadly speaking, the Anthropocene commenced in the mid-50s and continues through this day and into the foreseeable future. The Anthropocene is so named because it's dominated by the anthros, that's us, the humans. The Anthropocene is the age of the humans. The Anthropocene is recognizable in the ground because our species dominate all the major Earth system processes on this planet. Humans shift more soil with earth-moving machinery than is moved in all the world's dust storms and sediment-laden rivers. Humans produce more nitrogen and all the nitrogen-fixing bacteria. By burning fossil fuels, humans put more heat-trapping carbon gas into the atmosphere than all the biological processes and volcanoes combined. And that carbon gas just goes up and up and up. In just 200 years, we've boosted global average temperatures by over 1 degree C. That doesn't sound like much on a cold night, but that's a massive energy imbalance that is turning our world upside down. Climate change, ecosystem destruction, and ocean acidification, these are all creatures of the Anthropocene, a time of crisis for life on Earth and the human race. And most people don't know that the Anthropocene exists. And this is why the Quenn was developed. The Quenn is the symbol of the Anthropocene.